It's early spring here, it just finished raining, and these flowers are holding up great. I really wanted low maintenance front porch decor that couldn't be easier. These are very dainty, they are adjustable, they kind of blow and move in the breeze. I love the color variation, and because I can shape them, mold them, they have this spillover effect or they can go straight up. And they are seasonal replacement costs for me. I don't have to worry about them dying in the heat or forgetting to water them. They are artificial, but they look beautiful, especially from the street. And they really fill in this 14 by 14 inch pot. Wow, they don't look sparse in the planter, and there's no time maintenance. Literally, it took me 5 minutes to shovel these plastic pieces in the ground, and you're good to go. I guess what stands out to me is they give me that instant curb appeal I was hoping for. I get the bright spring and summer color without worrying about schedules or weather or anything like that. They stay in bloom and give me that porch patio kind of designer look that I was hoping for year round. Because they're 12 bunches, they do have full coverage, the UV resistance, the durability. They are this combination of a silk petal and a durable plastic leaf, so they really are holding up. It really rained hard last night and they're doing fine. So I'd say if you're like me and you are tired of replacing dead porch flowers every season, this is such a low maintenance solution. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.